In this video clip, I just want to showcase some of the work that was done for the first website project. This page right here looks pretty good. I like the way they have the title up in the middle here and everything's centered. Nice picture. The links are down here clearly can be seen without scrolling. That's really nice. And if you can click on this, you can go, to each one, and you can go to different sites. It pretty much, I think, followed all the conventions with the specs, with the order list, with the tables that we wanted. Okay, had the home button. Some of you didn't put that on there. I didn't take off for it, but you want to be able to go back home without having to hit the back button on each of your sites. Okay, and then you click it on the actual album cover, and you can see more details about it. Of course, go home. So that was a pretty good one. Um, this one here could be centered a little bit. Kind of, I know it's early in the course as far as when you did this and how to lay it out, but you might be able to maybe lay it out a little bit better. Um, and this isn't too bad. I mean, you got the table going there. You got the home link, map and directions. Okay, so it's pretty good. Sightseeing and stuff like that. So it's consistent. So and then you go to your external page, which is good. All right, what's the next one? Next one, the Grammys. Here's one with home. All right, go through here, take a look at the word list, got the tables in there, got some pictures, classical songs. So it looks pretty good, right? So I just want to show you what other students were doing in the class as a way of, to share our work. This one, we got to scroll down. I also think for this one, go to home. So the thing with this one is the main index is at the bottom, which means you have to scroll. So sometimes it'd be nice to have it up top, maybe lay out a little differently. Again, my screen may be sized a little bit differently than yours, but that's something you have to take into account. Your foreign links here, your nested list, that's very good. Okay, but again, maybe the menu structure could be at the top in some fashion. Okay, set that up, so that's not bad. Let's see what else we have here. Site index, the site index, soil. Let's see what the soil. So soil. Click on these different images. That's great. They come up in a pop-up window. All right. Let's see what markets. All right. So there you go. Not bad. This one here, I like this going across the top. Very convenient to see all your links in that fashion. Right. Life cycle. The images in there. So that's pretty good. I like that. Okay, easy to navigate. All right, very good. Get your tables and everything in there. Very good. This one here was, let's see if I can go back to home. I don't know if the home page is in here. Again, here's the other thing where you have to go back home on these. Okay, so okay, now we have the home, but it's not on all of them. So nice topic, breweries and by location. So there you go. You have some links in here that you didn't complete, which maybe you could have. You have the table, all that. So that's the idea. I know a lot of this you might not typically have to put in a website. Maybe you forced some things in here for the specs, but the idea is so you learn how to do them, right? So so it looks pretty good. Again, the home button was missing on several pages. This one here, I think maybe missing a few things with maybe the ordered list or something. I'm trying to think, and of course, getting back home. It's hard to figure out when you come into a page, where are you, that kind of thing, right? So, and there's the official website. So, and I'm not on the home. Oh, here we go. So the links have already been taken. There we go. So up here, store, right? So not too bad, not too bad. These are images. So, and some, that's an image of the article and so forth. So there you go. Not too bad. This one here, a little bit maybe unorganized. Maybe you could have a title up here. I don't know. Well, I shouldn't say that, I guess. I mean, you have the links up here, and then I'm not sure about, how you could lay this out a little bit better, perhaps. But I see, it's for a first site, it's not bad. You have the links in the table, though, and that goes out to your different sites. Maybe a different way to organize that could have been a little bit better to organize that. Let's see, so there's all the different websites. So if I can go to handheld overview, go here and take a look at some of these. Right, Sega handhelds for gaming. Got your table there. Site map. Right, get some nested lists here. Okay. This one here probably needs a little bit more work. It's just too plain, and it looks more like one of our exercises than really some content, a lab that we might want to really do. So anyway, I just want to give you a little feedback on that and also showcase some of the stuff that the other students have done. So good stuff. We're going to be getting into styles soon, or doing our second website with styles, which will make our pages come alive a lot more.